2019 Mazda CX5 Signature, 2019 Mazda CX5 Diesel, 2019 Mazda CX5 Turbo, 2019 Mazda CX5 GT, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Mazda brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Mazda CX5 Signature, 2019 Mazda CX5 Diesel, 2019 Mazda CX5 Turbo, 2019 Mazda CX5 GT, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Mazda CX5 Signature, 2019 Mazda CX5 Diesel, 2019 Mazda CX5 Turbo, 2019 Mazda CX5 GT, new cars by. The next generation of the 2019 Mazda CX5 is just around the corner. The new model is caught testing with camo on the street. The best-selling crossover model in the Mazda lineup will be now redesigned with a lot of improvements. It will also continue its tradition with its SkyActiv technology. However, it is expected that will come with the same platform that is used in the current one model. 2019 Mazda CX5 changes and refreshments. The popular Japanese model has retained the main characteristics in appearance, but with tiny changes it brought refreshment. On the front, there is a wide grille that will have 5 horizontal lines and of course a symbol of the company. The bumper will be larger and wider than before, and LED lights are better than ever. There will be increased use of chrome, especially when it comes to small details like a door handles. Interior brings a new way of decoration called coda. This concept refers to the dynamic space with the emphasis on mobility and comfort. The main color will be black, and optional aluminum elements can be added. The touch screen will have 7 inches, and some of the most interesting equipment is the navigation system, adaptive headlights, Mazda Connect function, multimedia voice system. Safety features. The model for the 2018 year has got 4 stars at NHTSA test. We expect that will manufacturer improve all features in the newest model to get all 5 stars. Some of the safety features that will be included in this model are adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, forward collision warning, smart city brake support and also a lane keeping assist. 2019 Mazda CX5 engine and specifications. The Mazda manufacturer is currently working hard on its next generation of SkyActiv technology, or the SkyActiv 2. The Mazda CEO Masamichi recently said that the 2019 Mazda CX5 will come with the efficient platform and improved powertrain technology. We also heard some rumors that will use the same engine like its predecessor. The only difference will be 3 HP more. If the rumors are true, it will come with just one engine options. The popular engine that power it is 2.5-liter inline-4 that delivers 187 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. This engine will also have 185 lb-ft of torque at 3,250 RPM or 4,000 RPM for the AWD model. It comes with the standard front-wheel drive, FWD, and with the optional all-wheel drive, AWD. Furthermore, the popular SUV is capable to tow up to 2,000 pounds. There are also rumors that will be presented to the US with the new 2.2-liter diesel engine. 2019 Mazda CX5 cost, rivals and debut. If we look at the specs above, we think that the new 2019 Mazda CX5 will have the same price as the predecessor. The expected starting price for the standard variant will be around $25,000 including destination. However, the touring model will come with a price around $27,000. The fully loaded 2019 CX5 Grand Touring model painted in Soul Red crystal color can easily pass $34,000. The model 2019 Mazda CX5 will lock horns with a Nissan Rogue, Subaru Forester, Chevy Equinox and Honda CR-V. We expect this model to debut sometime in 2018. Thanks.